Unit 9 Mid-Unit Exam. 1. A teacher is setting up the terrarium shown below in a science class. Which of these organisms is best suited for the terrarium? A. Blue jay, B. Snail, C. Lobster, or D. Water lily. 2. The table lists the characteristics of 4 types of animal. Type of animal: muskrat. Small mammal, body that is about 32 centimeters long, scaly tail, back feet that are partially webbed. Mallard, migratory bird, flat, webbed feet. Males and females have different colored feathers. Mink, small mammal, about 61 centimeters long, thick fur, eats small mammals, birds, and fish. Western grebe, migratory bird, black and white feathers, hunts by diving and spearing fish. What features do the ecosystems in which these animals live most likely have in common? F. Dry, rocky mountains. G. Forest of pine trees. H. Tall, spiny cacti. Or J. Lakes and rivers. 3. Each pair of populations most likely live in the same ecosystem except A. Frogs and deer. B. Birds and squirrels. C. Parrots and polar bears. D. Dolphins and seaweed. 4. Chase placed plants and animals into groups as shown in the table. Group 1. Coyotes, prairie dog, quail, grass. Group 2. Wolf, bear, raccoon, oak trees. Group 3. Lizard, kangaroo rat, cactus, mesquite trees. Group 4. Jaguar, howler monkey, parrot, kapok trees. What would be the best title for Group 1? F. Tropical rainforest. G. Grassland. C. Deciduous forest. J. Desert. 5. Some beetles break down the remains of dead animals. Some mushrooms break down the remains of dead trees. How do these actions most benefit plants? A. By returning nutrients to the soil. B. By releasing oxygen into the air. C. By making space for new animals. D. By decreasing the population of herbivores. 6. Some facts about a bird called the painted redstart are listed in the box shown below. Facts about the painted redstart. 1. Builds nest on hillsides covered with dense vegetation. 2. Usually raises one group of young each year. 3. Hunts for insects and spiders on plant leaves. 4. Feeds on sugar water and peanut butter at feeders. Which fact best describes one way this bird changes its environment to meet its needs? F. Fact 1. G. Fact 2. H. Fact 3. J. Fact 4. 7. Some facts about birds called cattle egrets are listed below. Cattle egrets. 1. They have yellow bills and light orange legs. 2. They make nests in trees away from predators. 3. They eat ticks of cattle while the cattle graze. 4. They are often found in the same fields as cattle. Which of these facts best describe how these birds depend on other animals to survive? A. Fact 1. B. Fact 2. C. Fact 3. D. Fact 4. Number 8. The table below lists ways that 4 organisms obtain energy. Organism: oak tree, produces food through photosynthesis. Mushroom: absorbs nutrients from decomposing plants and animals. Cottontail rabbit: eats grasses, twigs, and bark. Mountain lion: preys on deer, wild hogs, and rodents. Which organism obtains energy without depending on another organism? F. Mushroom. G. Oak tree. H. Cottontail rabbit. Or J. Mountain lion. 9. A student observes the following activities while walking in a park. A fire ant digging a tunnel in sandy soil. A blue jay drinking water from a puddle. A bee collecting pollen from a tree. A hawk circling in the air over a tree. Which of these living organisms was interacting with another living organism in the environment? A. Fire ant. B. Blue jay. C. Bee. Or D. Hawk. 10. Tropical climates have warm temperatures and abundant sunlight all year. What must be available for plants in these climates to make their own food throughout the year? F. Bacteria, G. Birds, H. Shade, or J. Water.